Hello everyone! Welcome to the last project of this course. In this project, we will be working on this site, and as we have promised, this site is going to be uploaded on the internet. So, within this project, you will learn how to optimize and upload site live on internet. As always, first we are making a new folder. Let's call it Project 7. We can copy folders JS style and that index file from previous project 6. Then we are opening this folder in brackets. We can also go to Assets, Project 7, and copy folder img from folder Assets into the folder Project 7. We can move to brackets now and delete all of this. This time we are deleting header also, because the header won't be the same in this site. So we are leaving only this what you see on the screen. So we are moving to style.css now and deleting all from header, and then moving to media query and deleting everything except breaking points, which we will leave the same for now. But if there is any need to change them in the process, we will do it. Let's move to script.js now and delete everything from that file. We can transition to index.html now and change the title of the site. The title is Heaven Cars. After this, let's search for a new Google font. Open the browser and type Google Fonts. We are choosing font Lato, and then its styles. Styles which we will be using for this site are 400, 700 and 900. Press Embed and copy this. We are putting it here instead of this link. We are now moving to style.css and in the default values, changing the font to Lato, and the colors that are going to be used are this orange, dark gray, light gray, and white. The colors are being changed here. First one is orange. Its code is hashtag F79041. Next color is dark gray. Its code is hashtag 222. After it, we are adding light gray, which code is hashtag CCC. And in the end, the white color with code hashtag FFF. In basic setup, we are changing the font family to Lato and the text color to hashtag 222. By doing this, we have finished the basic setups for this site. Let's add header quickly now. Header on this site is this menu, which is placed by side. It is fixed and will be on this position with the whole site height and will open by pressing on this button. Let's add it now in index.html. We are adding header, and inside of it we are adding a new div which has a class Start Menu. And inside it we are adding a class named Menu Closes. There we should add this hamburger icon, which is used when the menu is closed. However, this time for adding icons, we won't be using font Awesome. Instead, we will use something called IcoMoon. IcoMoon will allow us to not load all icons from some font, like Awesome on our page, because that affects the speed of the page load. Instead of that, we are only going to load the icons we are going to need. For this site, we will need those icons here. Then these three here, this arrow, and the X sign for the menu closing. So let's go to browser now and type IcoMoon app. First, we are looking for icon menu. Here we choose this icon, then we are searching for icon close. That is this icon here. And now we can search for Facebook icons. We could use this icon for Facebook. Let me see. Yeah, it will be okay. Then an icon for Instagram. We could use this one. And for YouTube, we'll use this one here. Now we need this icon. We are typing icon phone. Let me see. Okay, we can use this one. After that one, we are looking for icon mail. Let's see. I can see it right now, so I will choose this one. It doesn't even matter, they don't have to be identical. We are left to add this icon. Let's search for icon location. And we can choose this one, for example. In the end, arrow icon. We are looking for icon arrow right. The right arrow. Here it is. Okay, we have added all icons we need and we can click on Generate Font. We see that we have added this icon for menu 2 times, so I will delete one. And now we can press download. We are moving this file which we have downloaded on desktop. Right-click on it and extract here. We can move the whole folder fonts in the folder project 7. And then the file selection, we will move to folder fonts. These 3 files we don't need, so let's delete them. To the file style.css, we are changing the name to fonts.css and we will move it into folder fonts. We can go back to brackets now. Let's open fonts.css and change those links so that these files will be correctly connected to the file fonts.css. Everywhere in front of link we are adding 2 dots /. Let's go to index.html now, and here we will add our custom font. Let's add link, href, fonts, fonts.css. Let's go and try to add some icon. Class, icon menu, and we are adding one more class which we will use later on for selecting this icon in jQuery script. Let's open Live Preview. The icon doesn't show on the site. Let's check it out. We will try to discover the problem by using Inspect Element. We will find our icon here. Okay, let's add to it some style. Font size 20 pixels. Color red. Let's see now. It's still not there. Okay, this is that class. It looks fine. Oh, I just remembered where the mistake is. Here we forgot to put rel style sheet. Okay, let's take a look at the site now. Yes, the icon is here. And now all our icons work perfectly. We will delete this style because we don't need it anymore, and let's continue with adding the HTML. Under this icon, we are adding a new div with class menu social. Inside that div, we are adding a couple of links, href, and now adding icons. First link is for Facebook. Let's go to browser and search for Facebook. We are copying this link for Facebook and adding target blank, so the link will open in new tab. Inside this link, there is an icon. It has a text Facebook and a class. Let's see. Icon, Facebook. After adding it, we can copy this whole row 2 times. Here we are changing the class to icon Instagram and text to Instagram. And here, text is YouTube. Here we are changing the class in icon YouTube. Okay, we will change those links now. Let's go to Instagram and copy the link for Instagram. And paste it here. Then let's do the same for YouTube. And adding the link here. Alright, when we have finished this, let's take a look at our site. Everything is there. Very well. We will add now what's gonna be in open menu. We will start here. Adding nav with a class main nav. Inside it, there is h2 with text menu. Under this h2, we are adding an icon. That icon has a class icon close. So we will copy this class here and add one more class to it, which we are going to use for selection in jQuery later on. Under this icon, we are adding UL with a class nav menu. Inside this UL, there are links for menu. Let's add first link, href home. Inside this A tag, there is li with text home. When we did this, we will copy this row 4 more times. We are changing its text and href to About, Offers, Gallery, and Contact. Okay, we have added all HTML we need for this site. Now we need to add CSS. But this lesson was quite long, so I suggest you to take a break now, and in the next one we will add CSS for the header. Here we can see how does the site looks until now without CSS. So, see you soon!